Dear students, we'll continue with exercise 6.3. In that 10th and 11th, I had given it for you as a homework. So if you have any confusion, please let me know. I am going to resolve it. So 12th question states, sides AB and BC, sides AB, BC and median AD of a triangle ABC respectively proportional to sides PQ, QR and median PM of a triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So to see, there are two ways in which we can show the two triangles are similar. So if you go to the basics, if I want to say the two triangles are proportional, all the three sides should be proportional to all the corresponding three sides of other triangle, and all the corresponding angles should be equal. And we have a criteria. What are the criteria? Either all the three angles should be equal, or any two angles should be equal, or one angle and included sides of that particular triangle should be equal to corresponding angle and included sides of other triangle, then those triangles will be similar. So we make use of the possible similarity criteria, then we need to show triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So first we'll write down what is given to us. What is given? ABBC. So AB is proportional to PQ. Next, BC is proportional to QR. Then where is AD? AD is proportional to PM. Okay, what do we require to prove? To prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now we'll write down the proof. Okay, see, in triangle ABC, and triangle PQR, what can I write? See, since AD is a median, what can I write? BC is equal to 2 times BD, or else half of BC is equal to BD. Here also 2 times QM is equal to QR, or else QR is equal to half, QM is equal to half of QR. That only I am going to write. See, I'll make use of this equation 1. What does equation 1 states? See, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM. I'll make use of that. Okay, I'll write AB by PQ as it is. Okay, now what can I write? See, BC can be written as half of BC and half of QR. See, I am going to multiply half in the numerator and denominator. Okay, is equal to AD by PM. Okay, or else AB by PQ is equal to half of BC can be written as BD and half of QR can be written as QM. And see, in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, see, one more, AD by PM. Okay, AB by PQ, BD by QM and AD by PM. AB by PQ, AB by PQ, BD, where is BD? BD by QM and AD by PM. See, triangle PABD is similar to triangle PQMY. All the three sides of one triangle are proportional to all the three sides of other triangle. So that is SSS similarity criteria. SSS similarity criteria. Three sides of one triangle are proportional to the three sides of other triangle, then those two triangles will be similar. What is that criteria? Sides triple S criteria, three sides criteria. So that only I made use of. Now, so what can I write? Since ABD is proportional to PQM, so P is equal to Q, angle B is equal to angle Q. See, corresponding angles are proportional. Why? These two triangles are similar. Now, consider triangle ABC and PQR. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In that, we have AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Okay, this is from equation 1, we have that. And even if I call it as equation number 2, we have angle P is equal to, angle B is equal to angle Q. This is from equation 2, this is from equation 1, this is from equation 2. Now, therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR because angle and included side of this particular triangle are proportional to the one angle of this triangle is equal to angle of other triangle, and their included sides are proportional. What can I write? See that SAS similarity criteria. Through SAS similarity criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So there are different criteria: angle. So triple A, triple S, and SAS. So in this we made use of SAS criteria. One angle of this triangle is equal to corresponding angle of other triangle, and the included sides of this angle are proportional to the included sides of that corresponding angle, okay, of other triangles. So through that criteria, these two triangles are proportional. So please note this down. So 13th question, D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. See, first we'll write down what they have given. So there is a triangle ABC and D is a point on BC such that in what way it is there? So angle ADC, this angle, is equal to angle BAC, this angle. Okay. Now we need to show CA square is equal to CB into CD. So we'll write down. First we'll show these two triangles are similar. That is triangle BAC and ADC. These two triangles are similar. Then we'll write the proportionality of sides. Then we can arrive at this particular equation. Okay. Now, so what is given to us? Angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. What is required for us to prove? So we need to prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. Fine. Next, what we need to write? We need to write on the proof. So in triangle ABC and triangle ADC, see, when you look at AC is there, where is CB? CB is there, where is CD? So through this we'll come to know we need to consider this triangle and this particular triangle. Okay, so it is given that ADC is equal to BAC. It is given. Okay, next, angle C, see, ABC, angle C is there. In even angle ADC, same angle C is there. Angle C is common. So therefore, what can I write? See, D is proportional to A and C is proportional to C. What can I write? DCA, triangle DCA, D is proportional to A, I will write it. C is C. Then what is left? So we should be very careful. We need to write the corresponding vertices in the proper order. Then only we will be able to write the proportionality of the sides. So here D is proportional to A, D I have written. C is proportional, D is proportional to A, I will write it. D correspond to A. C correspond to C. Then A correspond, this A will be correspond to B. That is the only thing left. So now, so why? Because A criteria. A similarity criteria. So through this, what can I write now? DC by AC. One side, DC by AC, corresponding C, corresponding what is it? DC by AC is equal to CA by BC. CA by BC. Now, this is because corresponding sides of a similar triangle are proportional. Corresponding sides of a similar triangle are proportional. Fine. So DC into cross multiplication, DC into DBC, DC into BC is equal to AC into AC, which is nothing but CB into CD is equal to AC square. This is the proof, required proof. Hence proof, please note this term. So 14th question. So here little bit construction we need to do. Later I will show what is the construction part we need to do in the construction part. So 14th question. Sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and PR, PQ and PR, and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. See, here AB is proportional to, where is it? AB is proportional to PQ, AC is proportional to PR, and AD is proportional to PM. And we need to show triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. There are two possibilities. See, already we have this AB by PQ, AC by PR. So if we are able to show this angle is equal to that angle, that is angle BAC is equal to angle QPM, then through the similarity of SAS criteria, we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. But so to show these two angles are similar, I need to do some construction part. What is that construction part? See, produce AD to E such that AD is equal to DE. Join C. Similarly, join PM to point N such that PM is equal to MN. Join RN. So then after that, we need to show these two triangles are similar. If we are able to show that two triangles are similar, I'll show, we will continue with that one. Then we will come to know what we need to do. Okay. Now, what is given to us? AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR, AC by PR, then after that AD by PM. Okay. Now, so AD and PM are the medians. Now, what is required to prove? We need to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay. After that, proof. Before that, we need to do the construction part. Okay. Construction. reduce AD to E such that AD is equal to DE, join C. Okay, next produce PM to N such that PM is equal to Mn, join Rn. Okay, now so proof. In triangle ABD and triangle CDE, BD is equal to DC. Why? AD is median. AD is median. This is the reason BD is equal to DC. AD bisects BC. Okay. Next. After that, AD is equal to DE. AD is equal to DE. From the construction, we have constructed that in that way. That is the reason AD is equal to DE. Then ADB is equal to angle ADB is equal to angle EDC. Angle EDC. Now, this is because ADB and EDC are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, what we can say, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CD. Why? Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDE. Okay. Now, what can I write? Angle BAD is equal to angle CED. Angle BAD, this angle, see. Triangle ABD. In this, where is BD? BD is equal to DC. So B correspond to C. Where is B? So B corresponds to C and D corresponds to D. Next, A corresponds to E. So BDA, triangle BDA is congruent to triangle CD. We should be careful. Okay. Now, angle BAD is equal to, A is proportional to angle CED. And even what we can write, AB is equal to C. AB is equal to C. Okay. Now, 1 minute. Now, we proved AB is equal to CE. Similarly, what we can show this triangle is congruent to this triangle, and I can say PQ is equal to RN. Similarly, we can say PQ is equal to RN. Now, what we have in place of A, see, what 1 will become? Equation 1 will become C. In place of A, what can I write? In place of AB, I can write CE, or else I'll write it down. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. Okay, this is from equation 1. Now, in place of AB, what can I write? C, if I call it as equation 2, CE, if I call it as equation 3, in place of AB I can write CE divided by, in place of PQ I can write RN is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. This is from 2 and 3. Okay, this modification is from 2 and 3. So CE by RN, AC by PR and AD by PM. So this AD is, see, can I multiply AD with 2? In the numerator and denominator I can multiply with 2 AD by 2 PM. So if I cancel 2, it will remain the same. So what can I write? CE by RN is equal to AC by PR is equal to 2 AD can be written as AE and 2 PM can be written as PN. So now what can I say? AEC, triangle AEC is similar to triangle PNR. In this, what can I say? Angle DAC is equal to angle MPR. Corresponding angle of a similar triangle are equal. This. Okay. Now, so if you want to write the reason for this, you should write if the corresponding the corresponding three sides of one triangle are proportional to corresponding 3 sides of other triangle, then those 2 triangles are similar. So that reason you can give, or else, so this is enough. From, say, if you say from 4, what we can write? Triangle AEC is similar to triangle PNR. Or else what you can, if you want to give a reason, if 3 sides of a triangle are proportional to the 3 sides of other triangle, then those 2 triangles are similar. So now that is SSS, similarity criteria. Next, similarly, what I can show? Angle BAD is equal to angle QPM. Angle BAD is equal to angle QPM. So what I do? So to this BAD and QPM, I will call it as equation 5. BAD plus DAC is equal to QPM plus MPR. So I can add, because angle DAC is equal to angle MPR. So we are adding equal things on both the, we are adding equal angle on both the sides of the equation. So angle BAD plus DAC is equal to angle BAD plus DAC is equal to angle BAC, which is equal to angle QPM plus MPR. Angle QPM plus MPR is equal to QPR. Angle QPR. Now, and even we have the relation AB by PQ. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. This is from 1. Okay. Since the 2 sides are included, say one angle, this angle is equal to this angle A is equal to angle P, and the included sides of those 2 angles are proportional. So triangle BAC is similar to triangle QPR. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS similarity criteria. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Why? Because of SAS criteria. Hence proved. So only difficulty is you should be able to understand this construction, and you should be able to show these 2 triangles are congruent. Then through the similar, we can write similarly, we can prove this. Even in the exam also you can write this. Okay, please note this one. Fifteenth question. A vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow of 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow of 28 meter long. There is a tower and it's going to cast a shadow of 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. See, first there is a pole. Pole is standing vertically on the ground and it is going to, see, the height of the pole is 6 meter and it is going to cast a shadow of 4 meter. So I'll call it as A, B, C, and this is 90 degree. Vertical pole. They are saying vertical pole and it is casting a shadow of 4 meter. And there is one more tower and we don't know what is the height of the tower. We need to calculate that only. And it is going to cast a shadow of 28 meter. Let's say PQR. And we need to find the height of the tower. So we don't know, we call it as a x, which is unknown factor. So and this angle will be equal to 90 degree. One more thing, so through the angle of elevation, so angle of elevation concept you are going to study in heights and distances. So after trigonometry you are going to study that. So in this, see, the same sun is casting a shadow. So since the angle of elevation of the sun for the both the tower and pole will be same, this angle will be equal to this angle. So angle BCA will be equal to angle QRP. Now what is given to us, we'll write down. So length of the pole is equal to 6 meter, shadow of the pole is equal to 4 meter, and shadow of the tower is equal to 28 meter. Fine. Now what is required to calculate? What we need to calculate? We need to calculate length of the tower. Length of the tower is equal to what? We call it as x. Okay. Now exact solution will start here. We'll start here. See, in triangle ABC and a triangle PQR, angle ABC is equal to angle PQR, which is equal to 90 degree, because pole and tower are vertical. They are vertical. Next, angle BCA is equal to angle QRP, because angle of elevation of the sun, which will be equal. Now therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR because of AA similarity criteria. AA criteria. Now because of that, what I can write? Their sides will be proportional. AB by, therefore what can I write? AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Sides are proportional. For similar triangles. Okay, what is AB here? 6 divided by what is PQ? 28. What is BC? 4. PQ that we need to calculate. Wait. This is AB by PQ, BC by QR. BC is equal to 4. What is QR? QR is AB by PQ. So AB by PQ, BC by QR. Oh, sorry. AB is 6 meter. What is PQ? X. What is BC? 4. What is QR? 28. I made a mistake in the calculation. Okay. Now 4 ones are 4 sevens are. Cross multiplication. X into 1 X. 6 sevens are 42. That is 42 meters. Therefore, the length of the tower is equal to 42 meter. Please note this down. So one more thing, 16th will be very much similar to the previous questions. So that will be a homework, and if you have any query, please contact me. I am going to help you with the solution. Please note this down. And this concludes exercise 6.3. So in the next class, we are going to study the introduction for exercise 6.4. In that, you are going to study the areas of a triangle. Please note this down.